Good afternoon, everyone. This is just a quick little how-to and some tips on how to set up a very simple contact management spreadsheet. You can call it a database if you like, but at the moment it's just a spreadsheet. I'm just going to show you how to do that in Excel. I'll do another one sometime using Google Docs, but the principles in both are pretty much exactly the same. So as you can see, we're in here, we're in Excel, and we've got some columns set up. It's important that you make sure all your information is in unique columns. So here we've got a column for name, different phone numbers and email addresses. And depending on your business or your organisation, you might want to collect addresses as well. So if you're a business that delivers stuff to people, then you clearly need to know where they live, or if you deliver services to them. Now on the right hand side here, if I just click over onto the right hand side, we'll see that there's some more information over here, and I'll talk you through that at the moment. Here's the postcode or zip code field, and then we've got a couple of other columns over here. So here we've got a column called relationship. And this afternoon I've been talking about charities and not-for-profits and donors and members, but equally this could refer to customers as well if you're a business. So this column here of relationship, I've got that set up so that if I click on this cell here for this person, then you can see I've got a little drop-down list here. And I can choose whether they're a member, they're a donor, they're a prospect, or they're a fundraiser. So maybe this person's a fundraiser, so if I click on that. How that's done is that drop-down list there refers over to this yellow list here. So I've got set up a list here already, which is my allowed options for that field. So we're only allowed to have those options in there. I go down here where the drop-down list is, and I try to type something else in, it'll tell me it's not valid. So that allows us to build a nice clean database. We make sure that we've only got entries in there that are actually allowed entries. I've done the same with the gift aid column, and in here it's either yes or no if I'm waiting for my gift aid form to be sent back. So and then I've got some notes. So what I can say is I can put a note in. This one here says gift aid form. Actually we can see we've already got the gift aid form in there. So that's already been returned. So you might want to put the next action in there. And down here you might want to add need gift aid form instead. So we need to get a gift aid form from this person. And then over on the right hand side, our last column allows us to put in a next action date. And once we've got a next action date in there, we can do all sorts of things. We can filter on that. So if I set my filters up here, I can do that there. I've got filters on. And then I can actually say I want to look, say, in one particular month then, and see what I've got to do then. So that can be useful for that. So it's quite simple. It's just all about setting up your information in unique columns like that, so that you can easily find things. And at a later date, if you want to upload this to another database system, if you've got your data all sorted in nice neat columns like this, then that's really easy to do as well. So that's it for this afternoon. Just a very, very quick how-to guide on how to set up a very simple contact management spreadsheet.